Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You need admin privileges and a restore point before changing drivers. This protects you if something goes wrong. Once ready, open Start, type Device Manager and press Enter so the list loads. Make sure to expand the correct device category, for example, display adapters or network adapters, and locate the exact device name. You're starting with identification and safety because choosing the wrong device or lacking permissions can leave hardware non-functional or unstable. Now you'll make the actual change. Right-click the device and pick Update Driver, Roll Back Driver, or Uninstall Device depending on your goal. If updating, choose Search automatically to let Windows find drivers, or Browse My PC when you have a downloaded INF or EXE. This ensures you install the intended version. If a recent update caused issues, Rollback will restore the prior driver. Make sure to reboot after the operation so Windows initializes the driver correctly and tests stability. Finish by installing official vendor drivers when possible because they include firmware and optimizations that generic drivers lack. Once done, run the vendor installer or use Device Manager to point to the driver files. If installation fails, boot into safe mode and retry, which prevents third-party services from interfering. If you still encounter problems, use the restore point or system restore to revert. This undoes changes without manual driver hunting and gets you back to a known good state quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.